So welcome friends to this whole new complete tutorial on NumPy, and we will try to learn about what exactly is the NumPy, what is the NumPy, why we use it, what are the applications that we can create by using the NumPy. So as per the simple definition, it is the fundamental package which is used for scientific computing in Python. So there are a lot of libraries that is available, okay, but NumPy is basically also used for, you can say, to provide multi-dimensional array object. So basically in Python itself, you can use the multi-dimensional array. But if you want to perform the different types of operations like the matrix, or if you want to perform the product, okay, you need to write your own code. But here in the NumPy, it is a whole bunch and set of libraries. By using these libraries and functions, you can easily sort out the problems. Okay, and it is basically the third point is here why we use it. We basically use it for the first operation of array. Okay, and some other point that means first operation that may include the mathematical operation. Okay, that may include the logical, like the shape manipulation of an array of the multi-dimension and dimensional array. Okay, and it is also used for the sorting, and you can say the discrete Fourier transforms. Or if you are working with an algebra, by using this, you can perform the basic operation on linear algebra. Also, you can perform statistical operations. Also, you can perform random simulations and much more. So it's widely used, means you can see means nearly when we talk about the scientific computing, each and everywhere that you can use this library for performing these kind of operations. So when we talk about the NumPy, basically NumPy is a package. So what is a NumPy? Basically, it's a package, and it has a object that is known with the name of, you can say, ND array. All right. So it encapsulates the n-dimensional arrays of homogeneous data type. All right. There are several, you can say, the differences between the NumPy array and the standard Python sequences. So let me talk about some of the differences between the NumPy array and the standard Python sequences that basically we use. So here when we say the NumPy, okay, the NumPy array have a fixed size of creation, while in Python list, okay, which can grow dynamically. And what happens, changing the size of an array will create a new array and delete the original. So here we can say the first point of NumPy is a fixed size of array. So if you want to create the new one, what will happen? It will create a new array and delete the original one. Unlike the Python list that can grow dynamically. Okay, and the second one is the element in the NumPy array are required to be same data type, and thus will you can say will be the same size in memory. So we know that when we talk about the Python array, you can have a heterogeneous type of data types, but in the NumPy array, when you create a NumPy array, the data types should be same. All right. And some more point here, NumPy array is basically, it is used in the advanced mathematicals and other type of operations like the large number of set. And typically such operation are executed more efficiently. And if you are using the Python, okay, it will also be done in the Python, but by using the NumPy, these type of operation can perform very smoothly and efficiently. So we can say it is basically used for the operation on large number of data. Okay, and it is not only use NumPy when you work with the NumPy, you can use NumPy with pandas also. Pandas is also a package, a library available in Python. You can integrate it in a Python application, and it work with the NumPy, something like this. So this is very little about the NumPy. What is the NumPy? In the next tutorial, I will show you how to create a very simple how to write a very simple code by using the NumPy, and I will try to make a differentiation between the simple array and the NumPy array. And please, my friend, please do subscribe and like this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Please, my friend. Thanks for watching it.